Today we want to learn how to add copyright information on our image and also how to export our image with that information. File, File Info. I have basic information I can add at this point. I've given the document the name, the author, a description, keywords that are also separated by a comma, copyright status. I can change to either unknown, copyrighted, or public domain. It has the date and time that the image was taken as well, and I can click OK. So remember to set the information. Go to File, File Info, and click on the Basic tab. If we want to export our image with the metadata and copyright information, File, Export, Export As. In this case, I want to export this as a JPG file. And then under Metadata, we're going to click the Copyright and Contact Information radio button, and then choose Export. And finally, back on our copyright information, if we want to include the copyright symbol, the way to do that is you have to hold down the Alt key, and then on the numeric keypad type 0169 and enter, and that's the shortcut for the copyright symbol to appear. Okay. So again, to make the copyright symbol appear, you're going to hold down the Alt key, and on the keypad, you're going to key in 0169 and then hit enter.